The app that you get to use today in tech class is called Star Walk Kids because Sarah and Grant, your teachers, were telling me that you guys are becoming experts on outer space. So I thought it would be fun to use an outer space app in tech class to learn even more about outer space. So first, have your grown-ups download the Star Walk Kids app from the App Store. Then I'll show you how to use it. When you first click on the app, it'll tell you a little story about a cow. Once there was a cow just chewing his grass, minding his own business, and then a UFO comes zooming through the sky. The cow gets a little scared and tries to hide, but the UFO blasts him up anyway. But don't worry, this is a friendly UFO. This UFO actually is going to just transport the cow to a different part of Earth and send him back down wearing people clothes and turn him into an astronomer. Because secretly the cow has always wanted to study outer space, just like you guys. Then, in the app, you get to help our astronomer cow friend do a few different activities to become an even better astronomer and learn even more about outer space. One of those choices is the cinema. The cinema is like a movie theater, and you can watch lots of little movies about different parts of outer space. They're only 1 or 2 minutes each, but they're still fun and teach you some new facts. For instance, you could click the one about the moon and start watching a movie about the moon.
Hey kids, here's the Earth, and that's the moon, the satellite of...
I'm going to pause my video right now because I'm going to save it as a surprise for you to watch when you use the app. When you're done watching a movie, the app will take you back to the movie theater screen, or if you would like to end it early, you can hit the X in the corner and that will bring you back to the movie theater choices again. If you're done with the movie theater, you can hit the blue arrow button in the top left corner and that will bring you back to all of the different choices that the cow can do. Do you see that thing that the cow is holding? He's not holding it in his hand because cows don't even have a hand. But luckily, he's able to grip it with his little cow hoof. Oh, look at, he's so proud of himself. And if you click that map, it'll give you some new fun choices. In the map, when you first open it, it'll mostly be empty with those little lock symbols on most of the spots. But you'll see the sun. My screen also has Mercury because I already did the sun activity. But at first, you will probably only see the sun as a choice. So I'll show you what to do when you see the sun. You can click on the sun, and that brings you to an exploration part of this game where the cow is in outer space and you get to drag your finger on the screen to look around and try to find the place you're going to. The green arrow gives you a hint. Where is the sun? Where, oh, where's the sun? There it is. When you find the place you're going to, you can click it and then it'll teach you some new facts about it.
Sun.
It first just says sun, and so to hear the facts, I have to click the yellow book button in the corner. So don't forget to click that. It first gives you some facts about the sun in numbers. For instance, it tells me that the size of the sun is 109 times bigger than the Earth. That means you could fit 109 planet Earths inside the sun. Wow, that's pretty big. It also tells us that when we look at the sun from planet Earth, as planet Earth is spinning, it looks like the sun rises into the sky at 6:53 in the morning and sets at 1936, which is a different way of saying it sets at 7:36 in the evening, our time. And then, do you see those buttons at the bottom with the headphones and the little video camera? If you click those, it teaches you some facts about the sun that you can listen to or watch. So listen carefully.
It takes sunlight an average of 8 minutes to reach the Earth.
Wow. I can keep clicking those little headphone buttons to learn more facts, and I can also click the video camera at the end to watch another little short video about the sun.
Such a wonderful.
I'm going to pause it there and leave it as a surprise for you and hit the X to go back so I can show you the rest of the app before I leave. So, the little top corner button with the flag just shows that this is a place that you've explored. It doesn't really do anything with that button. And so to go back to your choices, hit that blue arrow button in the other top corner. And then you'll see that there might be a new place to explore really close, like Mercury. If you don't see that, you can hit the blue button again, and the next place to explore will probably have appeared on your map, like mine did for Mercury. So then you can go explore that place. You can learn all about the next place on your map, and then you can become even more of an astronomer expert. Some of the numbers you might need help reading from a grown-up because it doesn't tell you what all the numbers mean out loud, but all the buttons on the bottom will say facts out loud, and watch that little video about it too. So that is Star Walk Kids app with your astronomer cow friend. And that's as far as I've gotten in the app, but maybe you'll discover something new in this app that I haven't even found yet. For instance, I'm not sure if that dark spaceship in the back of this screen over by the mountains, I'm not sure if that does anything. Maybe later in the app, you get to unlock doing something in the spaceship. So maybe you'll find something new, and no matter what, I bet you'll learn something new. So have a great time, astronomer kindergarten friends.